can leave a message.
Sure.
People suck. Probably asleep. Ghetto.
Should I just play Black Girl?
Yeah. Say, I'll let you lick my lollipop. Oh no, say, I'll take it to the kitchen.
Should I say he needs to pay child support?
But you got me pregnant.
Just as I expected. You're not gonna answer your phone call? You know what, Tay Tay was right about you. You know what, boy? You got me pregnant up the busy. You hear me? You owe me child support. $400, $200, $300. You know, I don't appreciate this, okay? Our little boy, Tanya, he's missing you. He needs a daddy. You hear me? You were supposed to meet me at KFC. We were supposed to explain our business. You know what? Oh, bitch, please. Bitch, please. I don't appreciate this.